Ladybugs aren't bugs, they're actually beetles. Ladybugs come in more than just red. They can be yellow, orange, black, pink, and even metallic blue, and each color sends a warning to predators. If danger is near, they'll stop moving completely and release a foul smell to convince predators they're toxic. The harlequin ladybug, an invasive species, actually eats other ladybugs including their own kind. They're ancient survivors. Ladybugs have existed for over 50 million years, long before humans. In many cultures, a ladybug landing on you is a sign of good fortune, partly because they protect crops from destruction. Subscribe for more such facts.